Let's solve a problem about averages. We have 6 numbers whose average is 16. When one number is excluded, the average of the remaining 5 numbers becomes 17. Let's find what number was excluded. Let's visualize this with a diagram. Here are our 6 numbers. We don't know what they are yet, but we know their average is 16. Remember, the average is the sum of all numbers divided by how many numbers there are. Let's call the sum of all 6 numbers s. Since the average is 16, we can write s divided by 6 equals 16. Solving for s, we multiply both sides by 6, giving us s equals 96. Now, let's say we exclude one number, which we'll call x. The remaining 5 numbers have a sum of 96 minus x, and their average is 17. This gives us our second equation. The sum of the remaining numbers divided by 5 equals 17. Multiplying both sides by 5, we get 96 minus x equals 85. Now we can solve for x. Subtracting 96 from both sides, we get negative x equals negative 11. So x equals 11. Let's verify our answer. With all 6 numbers, the sum is 96 and the average is 16. When we exclude 11, the remaining sum is 85, and when we divide that by 5, we get 17. Therefore, 11 is indeed the excluded number. This problem shows us how we can use algebra to solve real-world problems involving averages. By setting up equations based on what we know about averages, we can find unknown values in a systematic